Well, hello there and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it's that time again, time to get cooking. And today, guys, I am making a pasta salad, but not your average pasta salad. Oh no, I am making a cowboy pasta salad. That's right, cowboy pasta salad. Yeah, this one is so delicious and it is hearty. Yeah, it is full of flavor. It has ground beef and bacon, cheese, tomatoes, corn, and it is all in this delicious dressing. Yeah, let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you will need 1 pound of pasta. Now I'm using shelled pasta, but you can use wagon wheel. Any pasta that you want to use will work just fine. Then you'll need 1 pound of ground beef. And I have cooked this and drained off all the fat. And then 1/2 pound of bacon that I have cooked and crumbled. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup of frozen corn that is thawed and 1 cup of grape tomatoes that I have quartered. And 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Then to make the dressing, you will need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and 2 tablespoons of a spicy brown mustard, 1 tablespoon of a hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, I'm just going to add these ingredients to my pasta. All right, so to make the dressing, I'm just going to combine all the rest of these ingredients. All right, then just pour the dressing over top of all these delicious ingredients. Making sure to get every last drop of that glorious dressing. And then just give everything a good mix. Wow. And this pasta salad is like a meal in itself. It is that hearty. You take this to your next picnic or family gathering, yeah, they're gonna love you. You're gonna wanna dig into this cowboy pasta salad, I'm just saying. All right, guys, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.